Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then you can tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called preference and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option vibration strength and tap on it. And right here we can change the vibration intensity by tapping on one of the options. Select the one you like, and then you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.